In this video, we will learn how to perform the slicing of Python. So, for example, access the elements from second to fifth, and for that the command will be print capital L bracket start 1:5. Okay, because for second element the index will be 1 and for the fifth element the index will be 4. Therefore, the command will be L square bracket start 1:5. And now let us execute the code. We can see the second element is R and the fifth element is also R. So we got the elements from R to R, and the output is also in the form of the list. So we have performed the slicing of the Python list. Now if I want to display the elements from starting to fifth, then we will write :5. So by default the starting index will be 0. Now if we execute this command, we will get from P to R. Okay, so this is how we can access the elements, or we can perform the slicing of the Python list.